Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, Cancerian placements. This is your general and the person on your mind. Love reading for the rest of August. Okay, so syempre again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga charms, okay, sa ating mga items. So yes, meron tayong mga protection from evil eye. So meron tayong 4. Okay, so yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, o diba? So dalawang sample ng bracelet, evil eye protection. Okay, isang garterize. Yung garterize natin ni ganyan. And ito naman yung ating adjustable. Ito po yung naka-customize. Okay, so pwede siya sa red string. Okay, pwede nyo palagyan ng initial. Okay, pero kung ayaw nyo palagyan ng initial, just say so. Okay, so ito naman yung ating evil eye ring protection. This is adjustable, by the way. Okay, and yung ating evil eye necklace naman. Okay, so this is unisex, hypoallergenic, yeah, non-tarnish. So meron siyang blue stone dun sa kanyang center. So hindi lang masyadong mabigyang justice ng ating camera kasi hindi naman ganun kagandahan ng ating camera. Anyway, so okay, so unahin natin tong si cord cut. So si cord cut, siya yung nagka-cut ng alat at MALS sa'yo. Okay, so sino man ang nagbibigay niyan at kung saan man nanggagaling, ika-cut nito. Okay, and magsisilbing harang para hindi na po pabalik-balik, okay, yung energy. And yes, again, ang tawag dito, pwede ito sa bahay, pwede yan sa business. Okay, so hindi lang pang sarili. Ito, kung ito is po-purchase mo pang sayo lang yun. Okay, kung po-purchase mo to para sa bahay, pang bahay lang po yun. Okay, pang business lang. Ganun po, ha? Okay, so next, yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. So, ganyan siya. Okay, so meron na siyang ngayong ano po citrine stone. So, para meron tayong, ang tawag dyan, money magnet. Okay, so nilagyan na natin ng money magnet itong ating charm for love and for connection. Kasi syempre, di ba, kapag naman tayo ay nagbi-business, meron din namang connection. Okay, so ilagay na rin natin yan dito. So para hindi na magdadalawahan. So isahan na lang. No, ang ganda nito in person. Yan, no? Nice. Okay, so kung lalaki ka, gusto mo nito, pwede mo ilagay sa red pouch. Okay, hindi naman masyadong komplikado ito. Kasi charm lang siya. Okay, so hindi naman sinabing bracelet to. Hindi naman ganon. Okay, so yung atin namang granter, so si granter, yung taga-grant po ng inyong mga minamanifest. Yes, and tagapagbigay ng mga surprises at least twice per week. Okay, maliit man yan, malakihan man yan. Okay, so yeah, hindi kayo i-zero nito weekly. Okay, so ano pa ba? So ito po ay made to order, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Hindi naman importante itong chain. Importante dito is ito. Kung gusto niyo palitan po yung chain, pwede. Okay, ito lang ang ating kailangang protektahan or ingatan. Okay, itong pendant. Okay, so and sa mga curious, pagdating sa ating tawag doon, cleansing kit. So available ang ating cleansing kit. Okay, ang laman niya ay white sage and selenite. So pang cleanse po yun, okay, ng ating mga charms and crystals. Okay, so let's see what's for you, Cancer. Again, kung may tanong po, message po sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ang dami ko pa rin nakikita sa comment section. Yeah, sa mga nanonood dyan sa YouTube. Oo. punta kayo sa legit page po ng Fias Tarot. Okay? Be careful lang kasi marami talaga na gumagaya at kumokopya ng ating page. Doon kayo sa alam nyo, tingin nyo legit. Okay? So, hindi naka-private ang aking profile. And, hindi po na-add as friend ang aking profile. So, yan po ha. Kasi page po ito eh. So, page po yung ating FB, sa FB page. So, yeah, hindi po siya na-add as friend. Hindi po siya nakalock. Okay, ayan ang mga signs, okay, na legit yung page natin. And ang nakalagay is 65 na ata tayo sa ating FB page, no? 65. Papunta na sa 66k followers. Thank you! Okay. Iba kasi ini-edit. Ini-edit nila. Yun nga lang, hindi sila updated. Hindi nila na-edit. Parang nasa 50 pa rin. Tayo nasa 65 na. So, yan. Okay. Cancer. What's for you? For the rest of August. King of Cups. What's that? Why? Why are you rejecting love? I don't know. Some of you, there's love, pero parang feeling mo, hindi pa rin ikaw happy. Why? Hindi ka pa rin happy. Anong meron? Anong kailangan malaman? Oh. Still, pwedeng ikaw itong nababagabag pa rin ng nakaraan. The missed opportunity with someone could be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, I guess, for the rest of August, nandyan yung parang may mga babagabag sa'yo na pwedeng magsilbing blockage. Yeah, see, the past. Okay, the past. I don't know if you're still expecting something from that person. Okay. So, sa ngayon, some of you pwedeng dadanas ng kaunting kalungkutan, kaunting sabihin nating reminiscing the person, parang ganyan. Matatawag ba nating cheating yun? Matatawag ba nating cheating yun? Comment down below. Comment down below. Oo. So, kung meron ka ng kakonect, tapos yung sabihin natin nababagabag ka pa rin ng iba, nababagabag ka pa rin ng person, kahit hindi naman siya nagko-connect sa'yo, yung isip at yung puso ay nandun pa rin, matatawag ba yung cheating? Well, tanong ko lang, so give your opinion. Okay? So what else for Cancerian for the rest of August? The Queen of Wands, the Ace of Swords. Okay, so opportunities. Some of you, pwedeng may mag-elevate dito. Pwedeng may mag-elevate dito, something. Okay? Could be sa pera. Yeah, I'm hearing, I don't know if this is pera. I'm hearing responsibilities. So siguro, I don't know if this is talking about, sabihin natin dagdag work lang, mga ganyan, kasi they see somebody na pwedeng can provide, okay, knows well, parang mga ganyan, somebody is na parang pwede nating pagrelayan, parang ganun eh. Okay. The Devil, yeah, medyo toxic. The Hermit in reverse. Some of you, I'm seeing parang may mga ika-cut off person, situations that is giving you toxic, no, energies. Ano tong Ace of Swords? The Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, something or somebody na nagbibigay ng sabihin nating stress, mga ganyang bagay. Pero, this is saying no. Okay, I'm hearing most of you pwede nang magre-reject bago mag-end ang August, or pwede may mga i-reject kayo or may mga tatanggihan. I don't know why. I don't know who. Okay, next. The Lovers. Okay, so this pertaining to partnership, connection, relationship. What's with that? The Lovers. The Ten of Cups. The Two of Cups. This is nice though. Some of you, there could be a connection na pwedeng sabihin natin mas maging okay. I'm hearing a family. An occasion could be, or some of you, pwedeng ipapakilala mo yung jowa bells mo sa family mo, something like ganon. Okay? Or could be something like an additional sa family member. Pwedeng hindi naman sa'yo, pwedeng sa parte ng family. I'm hearing an occasion. Okay? So, let's see. Yeah, the Fool. Okay. So, I'm saying there's this start. Okay. I don't know kung ito ba ay kasal. Parang ganyan. Something like leveling up, stepping up. Parang ganyan. Pero, yeah. There's this something like a new beginning, a new start. Okay? Para meron na papakilala dito. Or, yeah, mga ganun bagay-bagay. Pwedeng may papakilala sa magulang, mga ganyan. Or, pwedeng sabihin din nating, I'm hearing pregnancy here. Kahit wala yung energy dito ng, tawag doon, Empress, mga ganyang bagay. Or the Sun. Okay? Ooh. Yan na, lumabas na siya, si Empress. Anyway, so there. So, congrats. So, sa mga magkakaroon ng mini you. If you're ready. Okay, if you're ready. If you're not, then alam mo na. Okay? So, next. Let's see. Tayo tumungo na sa person on your mind, Cancer. The person on your mind. Who is this? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. And yun pong ating second YouTube channel nasa description box below, which is The Love Letter. Okay, you can send your messages there. Okay, your sabihin nating mga special messages for your special person, special someone. Okay. So, pwede nating i-air yun doon sa second YouTube channel natin. And, yeah, pwedeng naka-anonymous or pwedeng talagang gusto mong maipakita or sabihin yung names nyo, then go. Okay. So, the person on your mind, Cancer. Who is this? Oh, the Empress. Again, the Empress. Your person, I think. Some of you, they were attractive. Okay. They're in higher level, higher status. I think some of them, they have kids. Or a kid. Pwedeng may anak siya. Yeah. What's with that Empress? Let's see. They're like a provider. They know how to provide. Ano tong Empress? This the Moon in reversed. Naging transparent sa itong tao, I think. Yeah, Ace of Cups. Oh. This is the person. This is the reason why you're sad right now. Some of you're sad. Ito yung may nangyaring fallout sa inyo, Cancer. Siya yung tao na sabihin nating siya yung gusto mong makasama for the rest of your life. Pero may nangyaring fallout. Yung nakita nating something doon sa general, na pwedeng ito pa rin yung gumugulo sa isip mo, even though some of you, you're in a connection right now. Pwedeng siya to. Okay? And not for all, pero pwedeng ganun nga yung energy. Yeah. There's blockages. You're trying to, sabihin nating avoid interaction or connecting again sa taong to, pero meron pa rin siyang like place, no, sa buhay mo. They're important, I think. They're kind. Naging available sa itong taong to. Ibinigay sa'yo everything you need. You want. Okay? Anong meron sa situation? Let's see. Some of you, hindi na kayo nagkikita nito or hindi na kayo nag-uusap. You're sad. Ang laki ng pagkukulang nung nawala tong taong to. Ang laki ng nangyaring sabihin nating kawalan. So, ano kailangan mong malaman sa situation? Cancer. Okay, the Two of Pentacles in reverse. And the Judgment. So, may natapos ditong cycle. Okay, may natapos na cycle. Okay. So, sabihin natin sa sitwasyon ninyo, pwedeng hindi tumutugma. Merong hindi tumutugma sa sitwasyon. Okay? So, hindi nakikiayod ang sitwasyon sa inyong dalawa. Yeah, some of you, there could be something like legal behind. Okay? Anyway, so, the situation ang nangyayari ngayon, it's like an ending of a cycle. An ending. Okay? So, siguro nangyari dito is parang maraming on and off sa inyo, in and out energy. Okay? Break. Tapos balik, break, balik, break, balik. Ganon yung nangyari. Pero this is the energy of ending of a cycle. Parang okay, this is it. Kung tayo naghiwalay, ito na yun. Yeah. So wala na ditong nangyaring pagbabalikan or pagkakaayos. Both of you were, sabihin natin, quiet. May lesson na nakatutunan kayo sa connection na to. Yeah. Pero wag tayo magbulag-bulagan dun. Okay? Dahil meron. Okay? Masasabi natin wala kung talagang hindi natin tinitingnan. Kung talagang sarado yung utak natin. Okay? At tayo intindihin kung bakit nangyari to. Doon tayo may stuck. So, let's see. What is their emotion right now for you? Cancer. What is their emotion right now for you? The Knight of Wands. Gusto ng taong to na gawin mo everything. Like, sabihin natin kung anong mga passion mo, kung anong mga gusto mong gawin. Yes, napakabait ng taong to. Hindi niya hinahayaan na parang ma-stuck ka sa kung anong pathway na kailangan mong tahakin. Mga ganun bagay, no? The Knight of Wands. Yeah. The Nine of Swords. Gusto nito na maging okay ka actually. Yeah. Hindi nila ginagamit ang emosyon ngayon. Ang ginagamit nila is utak. Kasi kung emosyon at emosyon, hindi kayo makakaalis dito. Sa connection na to. This is a strong connection though. Yeah. They're trying to forget. Okay. Trying to forget. Yeah. Pero, yun nga. I don't know. Some of them, they're not available. So, kaya parang mas pinipili kung anong dapat. Kung ano ang dapat. Kung madalas, dati, emosyon ang ginagamit nitong taong to. Madalas ang sablay. Di po ba? Madalas ang sablay. Some of you, Cancerian, ikaw na itong hindi available and nakikita nila yon, hindi nila para ipilit kung anong gusto nila. Or kung anong meron before. Okay? They know their limits. They know how to respect boundaries. Okay? So, anong outcome nyo ng taong to? Huwag natin tingnan yung next action. Yeah. Huwag natin tingnan. So, outcome na lang or advice for our Cancerian. The Hanged Man in reverse, yeah. So, it's like, parang hindi mo kailangan maghintay. Okay, hindi mo kailangan na parang naka-stuck ka. Okay, gawin mo opportunity yung situation ninyo ngayon na, yeah, para magawa yung mga gusto mo, mga ganyang bagay. The freedom. I'm hearing the freedom. Kasi parang kayo nakukulong dati. Yeah. Sabihin natin, yes, gusto mo yung tao. Gusto mo makasama forever. Pero, hindi okay eh. The moon, this is something na pwedeng nakatago. Secret. Pwedeng tago yung connection nyo. Bakit tago? Bakit kailangan itago? So, there could be some conflicts, no? So, anong meron? Advice is the Hanged Man in reversed. Yeah, and the Fool. See? Freedom. Kung makikita mo, careless. Kung anong gusto mo mangyari sa buhay mo, do it. This is like an energy of having a new beginning. Okay, having a new beginning. Yeah, this is nice. Okay, so the King of Pentacles in reversed. So, sinasabi dito na rin na parang iwasan nyo din daw na mag-isip ng parang may makasarili dito, iniisip na lang yung sarili. No, your person is not ganon. They're not selfish. Okay, iniisip niya is kung ano din ang pwedeng pwede mo pang magawa, mga ganyang bagay. Okay, so hindi sila selfish. Yeah, sabihin natin ginawa lang niya yung tama. Okay, ginawa lang niya yung tama. Parte ka pa rin ng progress niya, I think, Cancer. Both of you, parte kayo ng progress ng isa't isa. So, let's see. All signs, Aries through Pisces. Okay. So, anong meron? This is the zodiac sign you're dealing with or dealt with. Aries. Okay, feeling incomplete. They're sad. Taurus, they want to say they're sorry. Some of them, crush ka ni Taurus. Gemini, parang wala na yung effort doon. Parang wala na yung focus. Cancer, a false start. Failed start. Andun yung parang nawawala na yung passion eh. Okay, nawawala yung passion or kagustuhan, kung ano man. Some of you, this could be a sex-based connection. Leo. So, si Leo, meron ditong sabihin nating hindi pa rin mga mabago-bago. Okay? Unfinished business, some of you. Virgo, they want to communicate. Libra, they're trying to isolate themselves from you. They're ghosting you. Parang ganyan. Okay? I don't know. Some of you, pwedeng meron kang natutunan kay Libra or pwedeng meron siyang natutunan from you. Okay? Scorpio. They love you. Yeah. Unconditionally. Sagittarius. Kind. Okay. I don't know kung ikaw itong ginagamit nitong Sagittarius na to. Or pwedeng ikaw yung talaga nagiging open dun kay Sag. Maybe some of them, they love you. Capricorn, communication. Or maybe you want communication with a Capricorn. Aquarius, they're open. Okay. Some of you, nandito yung flirt. So, Pisces, they're waiting for you. They're still waiting for you even though some of you, meron na kayong mga on and off. Okay, marami ng on and off. Pero yeah, they're still waiting for you patiently. So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Cancerian placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you again. Goodbye.